So we are Random House, and we are the world's largest trade book publisher. And we have 2 facilities in the United States for Random House. We implemented the Intelligrated Tilt-Tray Sortation System, was located in Westminster, Maryland. Here we ship about 1 million books a day, varying degrees of shipments. Could be a single book order to a single consumer, to a multiple truckload to a regional distributor. We operate 24 hours a day for 5 days a week. We needed an efficient way to bring on more titles while keeping our picking efficiency high, as well as keeping our turnaround time low within the facility. We selected Intelligrated for our partner really for 2 reasons. And the first one was we were very impressed with their design and their engineering team. Our internal team worked very closely with them, and we had severe limitations in terms of where we needed to have the sorter, and they worked through several options with us to get it to fit and maximize the number of chutes and give us the best layout. The second reason would be is that we were very concerned about damage to our books. We wanted our books to go in and not increase the damage. And again, we worked very closely with the design team. Our team went to the Frederick, Maryland office and worked on the chute design until it was absolutely perfect for them and us. And we came up with a final solution that was the best for our books. We have definitely seen an improvement in the ability to respond to a quick customer order. We have a program where we get orders by 2 p.m. and we will ship those the next day. And the sorter has definitely allowed us to do that quickly and efficiently. We achieved a 20% increase in our picking productivity in our loose picking area, and we are anywhere between a 30 to 50% decrease in our turnaround time within our 4 walls.